Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is how to roast spaghetti squash in the oven. You see here it looks like a spaghetti. I have here a small spaghetti squash, and the skin of the spaghetti squash is very tough. You have to be careful when you cut it. Start from the end, and you have to have a sharp knife. Be careful when you cut it. It's tough. I will cut it like circles like that. You can cut it in the half the other way, or you can cut it circles. I find that is easier when you cut it like circles to roast in the oven evenly. I will cut it into 4 pieces here. Then with a spoon I will take all the seeds from the inside. I will scrape everything. You see, it's not hard to do it. Use only a spoon, and it's easy to take everything from the middle like that. You see, and the end don't have that much. I have a roasting pan in the oven one. I have here a mixture of olive oil, sea salt, and a little bit of garlic. I will brush my spaghetti squash with this mixture. That will be my seasoning for this squash. I roast it from all the sides. That will give it a very nice flavor. I said olive oil, sea salt, garlic, and also some black pepper. Of course, black pepper, we use a lot of black pepper. Most times salt and black pepper to have some flavor. Because usually any kind of squash, they don't have that much flavor. You have to add some spices or seasoning to it. I have my oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I will roast my spaghetti squash for 40 to 50 minutes. Halfway, I flip it to the other side, and that's the result after I think 45 minutes it took for me. I peel here the skin. See, the skin is easy to take off, to peel. It's not that hard. And you will see the inside of the squash look exactly like spaghetti, but it's a vegan, gluten-free, and a healthy kind of spaghetti. Don't have that much calories. It's not like the regular spaghetti. I will do the same thing with the other circles like that. See how easy to peel it? Not hard at all. But between 40 to 50 minutes on 400 degrees, and you flip it halfway. You can eat it like that, or you can use it like a spaghetti with some sauce, however you like it. But this is the way how you roast it in the oven. Very easy and very simple, but the result is really good. And that was the recipe for today. Very simple, delicious and nutritious. Roasted spaghetti squash in the oven. See you next time in a new recipe, a new video, and enjoy.